The first week, I removed the carpet in the bunk room. Then I removed the couch. There was more carpet underneath the couch that had to be removed as well. I filled all the holes, and then I sanded. Little Maisie, monkey see, monkey do. And while we were waiting for paint to dry,
Full water, Bud!
the snow had now melted,
Bud, we're full water!
so we enjoyed splashing around in the new lake Mother Nature had gifted us.
Can I blast you, Dad? You can't get me.
I went back and forth on paint colors, and I took a leap of faith on black. After measuring, I reframed these bunk beds so that they could accommodate twin-size beds. I had a vision of having 3 beds in this bunk room. So after framing the beds, the only thing left was to build the trundle. Trim was then added and then painted black. Installing the bunk ladder and railing was the very last step on my to-do list for this bunk bed renovation to be complete. But it was definitely a 2-person installation. This bunk bed remodel is now complete, and I love how much this space has been transformed. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this RV bunk bed remodel.
Part 2 of the RV renovation coming soon. Thanks for being here. Like, subscribe, and comment down below.